In this video, I will be solving the first part of third problem in UPSC Civil Services Mains 2025 Statistics Optional Paper 1. So, we were given the probability of obtaining head on a biased coin is 4 by 5 and x is the number of heads obtained in the sequence of 25 independent tosses of the coin. And the same coin is tossed again x number of times independently and we obtained 9 heads, y heads. So we need to compute variance of x plus 25y. So probability of head is given to us. So that is 4 by 5. And x is number of heads in first 25 independent tosses. So that means it's like number of successes in a Bernoulli trials. So that means x follows binomial 25 comma p, and this p probability of head is given to us as 4 by 5 already. And now given x is equals to x, this coin is tossed some x times, and y given x is equals to x, so this will have like we are obtaining y heads. That means like y is dependent on x, so y given x is equals to x is following binomial of x comma p. So again, like these pairs follow this binomial model or the hierarchical model. So if we can find expectation of x, that is 25p, and so expectation of x, let me write here. So expectation of x is 25p and variance of x would be 25p into 1 minus p. So that means 25 into 4 by 5, so this is 20, and 25 into 4 by 5 into 1 by 5, so that is nothing but 4. So variance is 4 and the expectation is 20. Now we need to find expectation of y given x. That's nothing but p times x, and variance of y given x would be x into p into 1 minus p. So expectation of y is just expectation of y given x. So that is nothing but p into expectation of x, that is nothing but 25 p square. And variance of y is expectation of variance of y given x plus variance of expectation of y given x. So that means p times 1 minus p expectation of x plus p square into variance of x. So we already have expectation of x is 25p, so 1 minus p into 25p plus p square into variance of x is 25p into 1 minus p. So that is 25p into 1 minus p. If I take common, so it is p plus p square. So that means it is 25p square into 1 minus p into 1 plus p. So if I substitute p is equals to 4 by 5, so I will be getting expectation of x is 25 into 16 by 25, which is 16, and variance of y, sorry, this is expectation of y, and variance of y would be 25 into 16 by 25 into 1 by 5 into 9 by 5, which is 144 by 25, which is if we multiply into 4 in both numerator and denominator, we will be getting 5.76. So now like we need to find the covariance, because ultimately we need to find variance of x plus 25y, and that we can use our variance of linear combination formula and we can compute. So if I have to find the covariance of x comma y, so covariance of x comma y, because like y is dependent on x only through this conditional mean, so this is x comma expectation of y given x. So that is covariance of x comma px, that is p times covariance of x and x, which is variance of x. So covariance of x comma y is just p times variance of x. Variance of x is 25p into 1 minus p. So that means covariance would be 25p square into 1 minus p. So that is nothing but 25 into 16 by 25 into 1 by 5, which is nothing but 16 by 5, and that is 3.2. So now like we need to find the variance. So variance of x plus 25y, so that is nothing but by using this variance of the linear combination for any random variables. For any two random variables, we can do this thing. Plus 25 square into variance of y plus 2 into 25 into covariance of x comma y. So variance of x is 4. 25 square into variance of y, we got it as 144 by 25 plus 2 into 25 into covariance, we got it as 16 by 5. So that means this is 4 plus 25 into 144 plus 2 into 5 into 16. So that is 4 plus 12 into 5 square, that is nothing but 3600 plus 160. So that means it is 3764. So that would be the variance of x plus 25y. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.